Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the background of your photos on your iPhone. Super simple. It only works on like newer phones though. I had an old phone, it doesn't work. It's like when you tap on the picture and it's going to automatically remove the background. I think it only works with people though. I'm not sure with objects yet. Maybe with a clear background, I'm not sure. I just sent the text message to myself, that's why I said that. Anyways, I'm just going to choose a picture from the pictures that I have here, from the Taylor Swift pictures. I have a lot. I have more actually, but somehow they're not tagged in Taylor Swift for some reasons. There should be more, but anyways, I'm just going to pick one. I'm going to pick one. This one. Oh my god, who is that in the background? I just realized there was somebody. Who's that? Anyways, you're going to select the like the person obviously for a bit here, and then you're just going to kind of go to iMessages, and I'm just going to send it to myself. You can send it to whoever you want to, and I'm just going to press send. It's not going to be delivered, but you can click the share button to then save photo, and then it will save as like an image without any background, and that is it. You don't need any more apps. It's as simple as that. Here, I'll show you another one. Also, sorry about my voice, but I'm very sick. Hopefully I get better soon, but I mean, who cares, right? But let's just send another one here to myself. It's obviously not going to be delivered, but I'm just going to select it, and I'm just going to save that to my photos, and that is it. Basically, I will have a backgroundless photo. I'm not going to go back to my galleries because there's just a lot of pictures that I don't want to show. So here, just look at Taylor Swift. She's very beautiful and stunning, and I miss her, and I'm sad that I didn't get to see her Eras tour. It was just too expensive for me. So if anybody wants me to meet her one day, watch this video and let's get it viral, y'all. I don't know what I'm saying, but oh, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Another good app that you probably already have is Instagram. It can remove backgrounds as well. But yeah, that is it. Let me know your favorite Taylor Swift picture that I have in the comment section down below, and also let me know your favorite Taylor Swift album. Mine, I cannot choose. It's like in between Speak Now, Folklore, and Stop, and oh, and Reputation. I'm like, and what else? And I can't wait for the AMAs. I hope she does announce Reputation, Taylor's version, because I've been just wanting to, listen to the album. It is one of my favorites. So yeah, that is it. I cannot wait for the what else can I not wait for? I think that's it really. I hope that we aren't clowned again like we always are. But yeah, that is it for this video. Click the thanks button as well if you want to, or if you just love Taylor. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.